Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to share with you. We discovered the Amazing Origami Kit, traditional Japanese folding papers and projects, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. The Amazing Origami Kit is designed for anyone who has ever been fascinated by the art of paper folding. This comprehensive kit includes 144 sheets of beautifully designed origami paper, each with a unique pattern that reflects traditional Japanese aesthetics. Along with the papers, you'll find a detailed instructional book that guides you through 17 exciting origami projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this kit has something for everyone. One of the standout features of this kit is the variety of paper included. The sheets come in different sizes, typically ranging from 6 by 6 inches to larger formats, allowing for a wide range of projects. Each piece is made from high-quality paper that is both durable and easy to fold, ensuring that your creations will hold their shape beautifully. The vibrant colors and intricate designs not only make the folding process enjoyable but also enhance the final products, making them perfect for display or gifting. Another important feature is the step-by-step instructions provided in the accompanying book. The guide is well illustrated, making it easy to follow along, regardless of your skill level. It starts with simple projects, such as cranes and boats, and gradually progresses to more complex designs like flowers and geometric shapes. This gradual increase in difficulty helps build confidence and skills, making it an ideal kit for beginners as well as experienced folders looking to challenge themselves. So, who is this kit suitable for? The Amazing Origami Kit is perfect for children and adults alike. It's a fantastic way to introduce young ones to the world of arts and crafts, helping them develop fine motor skills, patience, and creativity. Families can enjoy bonding time as they work together on projects, creating lasting memories while learning a new skill. Additionally, this kit is great for art enthusiasts or anyone looking to unwind with a relaxing hobby. The meditative process of folding paper can be incredibly satisfying and a wonderful way to relieve stress. In terms of practical use cases, the origami creations made from this kit can serve various purposes. Once completed, you can use the folded pieces as beautiful decorations for your home, unique gifts for friends and family, or even as thoughtful additions to special events like weddings and parties. Imagine crafting intricate paper flowers for a centerpiece or creating personalized greeting cards adorned with origami designs. The possibilities are endless, and your creativity is the only limit. Moreover, this kit can also be a wonderful educational tool. Teachers can incorporate origami into lesson plans to teach concepts like geometric shapes, symmetry, and even cultural appreciation. It's a hands-on way to engage students and make learning fun. Overall, the Amazing Origami Kit, traditional Japanese folding papers and projects stands out for its quality, variety, and versatility. Whether you're looking to dive into a new hobby, spend quality time with loved ones, or explore your creative side, this kit has everything you need to get started on your origami journey. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.